Now, this is our cruise, Carnival Breeze. Carnival Breeze is our name. And then look at this stuff over here. See, look at this sand right here. Look at this beach over here. You know? Yeah.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true.
So it was good. I was playing basketball and yeah, that was it. Yeah, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Who you playing basketball with?
My friend.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, that's it.
What's your friend's name? They got names?
Yeah.
What's your name?
I don't know.
You don't know? Why you know they're your friends if you don't know what their name is?
Us?
All right.
No record. What kind of the tea? There you go.
Okay, yeah, this is my first cruise. I'm tagging along with hpadventures. Got my son with me. We rode down here in style, about 4 or 5 hours. I visited Buc-ee's. FYI, the sliced, what was it? The chopped beef sandwich was better than I expected. Yeah, I rode down and stayed in the back seat, the sunroof, showing the sky and the clouds and stuff like that. You know, I guess I'm kind of excited just to, you know, experience something that I've never experienced before. So hopefully it'll be fun and it'll be something that I might be interested in doing again.
Guys, guess what I just found? A coconut.
Yeah, Mexican coconut. You found a Mexican coconut.
Yeah.
Over there in by the bushes, by the jungle. The Mexican jungle.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna turn it.
And the woman just put me up and said, that's how much it costs me. Hamburger, my friends, hamburger. It was only for 3 months. 1,100. Shrimp quesadillas.
And when you dance, I'm in the group. You making it. You got it all.
What's up, Mr. Cole?
What up?
Y'all ready to get off or something? Was you knocking on Grandma's door? Was you knocking on her door? She didn't come to the door?
She did.
Oh, did she?
She said she wasn't ready.
She probably still sitting on the bed.
So he said we was gonna get some to drink. We want something.
Oh, yeah? Cool.
Where you heading to?
Nowhere.